So after an implant is placed, obviously the goal is a long-term solution. This should last for years and years. So patients want to know what can they do to maximize the success of dental implants. An implant, in essence, is a tooth. We start with a healthy tooth, but like your teeth, they need to be cared for. The most common reason a patient would have issues or problems with their implant would be the same reasons they would have issues or problems with their teeth. Proper oral hygiene, brushing and flossing is necessary. We want patients in routinely with their hygienist and their general dentist for routine preventative measures, cleanings, etc. So a lot of the implant success, much like their teeth, depends on proper care at home and in the dental office. So after implant therapy is completed, we feel that it's important to start with the basics. We don't want to assume that you know how to clean properly or floss properly. So we're going to take the time to review exactly how we want you caring for your implant so you can help us achieve the long-term goals that both our patient and me as your periodontist strive for.